Lesson 11 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Clarinet introduces the scale and arpeggio of D major. This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet which you have downloaded from planzmusic.com. This contains some very important instruction and exercises. It is important that you follow all the instructions on the worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. You will initially learn D major for a 12th, as playing it for 2 octaves requires you to cross into the 3rd register. You will cover this in due course, but there is other important stuff to attend to first. D major is the first scale you have encountered which requires you to cross the break with the sharp break pattern fingering. You cross from A to the right hand fingering for B, followed by the left hand fingering for C sharp. It is possible to finger the B and C sharp the other way round, but you're strongly advised not to adopt this, as it will make your scale learning much more difficult as you go on. Crossing the break to a right hand B may feel rather strange, but it's not so difficult once you get used to it. It is actually more efficient than using the left hand B, as your right hand 5th finger can be reaching for the B key while the left hand is occupied with the notes below the break. Exercise 14 helps you with this. Here is the scale of D major for a 12th. Using your left hand index finger for F sharp and A in the arpeggio can be a little clumsy to begin with. Exercise 15 will help you smooth this out. Here is the arpeggio of D major for a 12th. Practice pan 11 looks quite long and scary, but most of the items are scales and arpeggios you have been practicing for a long time now and could probably practically play in your sleep. You should still be sure to drill them thoroughly and tick all the boxes before you move on to lesson 12.